Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
That's what I got today here. Big one was already there. The other ones I put on top of it. This tall one was the hardest. A couple little ones on top of that. Very nice area here. Welcome to BlindOwl Bushcraft and Survival. Isn't that nice? I got 8 stones today. Bottom one really doesn't count, but I'm counting it anyway. I could probably put a couple more in the top, little bitty ones, but just going to call it that for now. Hashtag 22 a day, everybody. Have a great time. Have a great day. Be safe.
Thanks for watching. Take care.